Hello friends, I am Shivaji Walke. In today's session of agrotourism, we are going to learn about major institutions for agrotourism in Maharashtra and India. So we'll see what are the major institutions which work on promoting agrotourism concept in Maharashtra and India. So first we have ATDC. It means Agrotourism Development Corporation. It is an private NGO. Then second one, MART, that is MART, Maharashtra State Agri and Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited. It is an cooperative initiative for promoting agrotourism sector. Then MTDC, that is Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation. It is an initiative of Government of Maharashtra for promoting tourism sector in Maharashtra. Then at national level we have ITDC, that is Indian Tourism Development Corporation. It is an public institutions or government owned institutions for promoting tourism sectors throughout the India. So these are the institutions which are majorly work on the promoting agrotourism concept in India and Maharashtra. Remember this all short form. ATDCs, it means Agrotourism Development Corporation. Then MART, it means Maharashtra State Agri and Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited. Then MTDC, it means Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation. And ITDC, it means Indian Tourism Development Corporation. Now we'll see one by one. First one we have ATDC, that is Agrotourism Development Corporation. So this ATDC was established in the year of 2005 and they have owned the pilot project of agrotourism nearly about the 28 acres in a Palshiwadi in Baramati Tehsil. Okay, it was started in the year of 2005 and started with an 28 acres area occupied agrotourisms at Palshiwadi, Baramati. Then Mr. Pandurang Tavre is an founder for ATDC. Okay, this person is also known as pioneer for starting agrotourism concept in Maharashtra. Then from their initiatives they have started World Agrotourism Day on 16th May. Okay, with the help of WTO. Okay, so they have majorly contributed for the starting ATDC and initiative for the starting World Agrotourism Day on 16th May. Remember this one for objective purpose. Then the main activities include operations, its agrotourism center, along with the encouraging more farmers, conducting trainings and research programs for agrotourism. So main purpose of this ATDC is an encouraging more farmers for starting agrotourism, then conducting various training programs about the how to run agrotourism, then conducting various research program related to the agrotourism sectors. Okay, this ATDC is one of the private NGO for promoting agrotourism sectors. Then this is an umbrella platform wherein the most of the tourists reservations are booked and then tourists are sent to the agrotourism centers. Okay, so this ATDC is and majorly promoting the agrotourism sectors. Okay, for this purpose they have developed one online portals, and under this online portals so many agrotourism centers are registered under this ATDC platforms. And as per the booking in a ATDC platforms, the visitors or tourists are sent to the respective agrotourism centers. Okay, then to the continuation of ATDCs, as per the ATDC survey in the year of 2014, 15 and 16, there were 0.40 millions, then 0.53 millions and 0.7 million tourists have visited to these ATDC registered agro-tourism centers. Okay, in the year of 2014, there are nearly about the 0.40 million tourists visited to this ATDC registered agro-tourism centers. Then in the year of 2015, nearly about 0.53 million, and in the year of 2016, nearly about 0.7 million tourists or visitors are visited to these different ATDC registered agro-tourism centers. Through this activity, generated nearly about the 35.79 million Indian rupees revenue. Okay, then this is an website for the ATDC, www.agrotourism.in. Okay, then what are the objective of ATDCs, or what are the mottos of ATDC? So first one, to develop and promote agricultural tourism through ATDC platforms, and majorly working for the developing and promoting various agro-tourisms through the ATDC platform. Then provide training and support operations for new agro-tourisms. If any persons or any entrepreneurs want to start his agro-tourism centers, at time they are providing the trainings and support operations, like means publicity events or the various financial assistance through bank. Okay, they are helping to the new agro-tourism owner. Okay, for this training purpose, they are charging nearly about 3,000 to the 5,000 rupees per trainer. Okay, then creating various jobs and increasing the farmers' income through agro-tourism activities. Through the developing agro-tourisms, they are trying to create the various jobs and income generation activities or additional income generation activities for the farmer. Then increasing the awareness of local agriculture products and enhancing importance of maintaining the agricultural labs. So they are creating the awareness about the agricultural products or rural tourisms, okay, within the urban things or within the foreign countries. Okay, these are the some objective of ATDCs. Now this ATDC website, it look like this one. Okay, now if you want to visit any agro-tourism centers which are registered under the ATDCs, then just go select your district or select the district of the in which you want to visit it. Then as per the district selections, they will give the suggestions for the agro-tourism near to that or within that districts. Then what kind of different facilities or services that tourisms or agro-tourisms are offerings. Okay, and even you can register your farms under this ATDC as a agro-tourism center. Okay, they are conducting various promotional activity on behalf of your agro-tourism centers. Now you need to visit this agro-tourism sites. Okay, www.agrotourism.in. Once to visit it. Then second one, that is MART. Now MART and ATDC, okay, both are owned by the same person, or both are this initiative by the Mr. Pandurang Taure only. MART stand for Maharashtra State Agri and Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited. It is an initiative of some agriculturist and cooperative institutes. Okay, it is an cooperative institutes in which the various agriculturist member and cooperatives member. Then the federation was set up on 12th December 2008 at Paramati, Pune district for Maharashtra. It means Palsewadi itself. This federation was set in the year of 2008 at Paramati, Pune districts. Then it has representative from agri and tourism cooperatives, 12 representative from agri and tourism cooperatives, then 11 individual farmers who are running agri and rural tourism centers, and along with this one, women director from the individual farmers and 2 government nominated directors from NCDC. Okay, that is National Cooperative Development Corporations. Okay, so these are the organization structure for the March. 12 representative from agri and rural tourism cooperatives. Okay, then 11 from individual farmers who have agro-tourism center. Then women directors and 2 government appointed nominees from different cooperative institutions like NCDCs and NAPFED. Then agro-tourism cooperatives societies get finance from the NABARD. They are receiving the funds or raising the funds through the NABARD, that is National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. Then what are the objective of this March? So first one, it would help to farmer to supplement their income from the farm produce by initiating tourism related activities and other priorities. So this Mart is majorly promoting your agro-tourism concept. Okay, they are trying to create more number of agro-tourism center in Maharashtra. Then its main objective to coordinate the activities, planning, financing and marketing liaison with various state and central agencies. So they are majorly working for the planning, financing, marketing and liaising of various state and central agro-tourism agencies. Okay, so they are majorly working for the promoting agro-tourism centers in the field of planning or in the field of financing to the agro-tourism centers or in the field of marketing of the agro-tourism centers cooperatively. Then to bring the state agricultural and rural tourisms to the international levels. They are trying to create the platforms for Maharashtrian agro-tourism centers at a national or international level. Then why March? Or why you need to member of this March? Because they have agricultural tourism center building plans. They have the various plans which shows the how your agro-tourism center is supposed to be developed. Then agricultural tourism development finance guidance and project report. They are helping in a finance guidelines and preparing your agro-tourism detailed project report or business plan or loan proposal. Then hospitality management in agro-tourism centers. They are providing the trainings or guidance related to the hospitality management. Then marketing of agricultural tourism centers. They are providing assistance for marketing of your agro-tourism centers at a national and international level. Then government rules and policies for agro-tourism tourism. Okay, they are providing knowledge about the what are the different rules or policies which are related to the agro-tourism centers. Then organic farming's benefit in agro-tourism. So overall, this SMART is promoting directly and indirectly agro-tourism sectors in Maharashtra. Now, next one, that is we have Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation, that is MTDC, Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation. It was started in the year of 1975 and owned by the government of Maharashtra. Its headquarters is located at Nirman Point at Mumbai, or you need to remember this, just Mumbai only. Then its current managing director is Sri Vijay Wagmare. Okay, this is a website for the MTDC, that is Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation, www.maharashtraTourism.government.gov.in. Now we'll see introduction about the MTDC. MTDC is an body of government of Maharashtra responsible for development of tourism in Indian state of Maharashtra. So this MTDC majorly work for development or promotion of tourism sector majorly in Maharashtra. Okay, overall tourism sectors. Then it was established as per the Indian Companies Act 1956, fully owned by the government of Maharashtra for systematic development of tourism in a commercial line in the year of 1975. So this MTDC was established as per the Companies Act, okay, for the purpose of development of tourism sector overall in Maharashtra in the year of 1975. Then different objectives and functions of this MTDC. So first one, since inception it was involved in the development and maintenance of the various tourist locations of Maharashtra. So from establishment, this MTDC is trying for developing and maintaining the different tourist destinations or different tourist locations in a particularly Maharashtra. Then it acts as a nodal agencies for the development of tourism in the state of Maharashtra, run various holiday resorts, hotels, motels, restaurants, and produce publicity and promotional material for the tourist. So this MTDC is acting as a nodal agency, or it also called as State Tourism Board. It acting as a nodal agency for development and promotion of Maharashtrian tourisms. For this purpose, they are running various holiday resorts or various hotels, then various motels, restaurants, and creating the publicities for Maharashtrian tourism sectors. They are looking for overall, not only the agro-tourisms. They are also promoting some historical tourism also, or they are also promoting some rural tourisms or agro-tourisms or natural tourisms also. Okay, then it own and maintain resort at all key resort centers and having more resort in its plan. They are maintaining or running various resorts or hotels or various lodging services at major tourist centers or major tourist destination. Then to the continuation of objective and functions of MTDC. MTDC initiates and supports various cultural activities across the Maharashtra with the objective of improve the tourism in the states. They are taking the initiatives and support to the various cultural activities or various cultural programs or tradition of the Maharashtra or culture of the Maharashtra, in which they are promoting Maharashtrian foods, Maharashtrian traditions, then Maharashtrian festivals. Okay, they are promoting this Maharashtrian tourism, Maharashtrian things for increasing the tourism in a Maharashtra. They have set their objective that the count of tourists in upcoming 5 years should be double. Okay, then apart from acting as a nodal agency of state for promotion and development of tourism, MTDC also project and enhance its historical, physical, cultural heritage. So apart with some promotional and development of new tourisms, they are trying to maintain the old tourism centers or some historical tourism centers and some cultural heritage centers like Ajanta Vellura caves. They are maintaining these historical tourism centers. Then it also organize festivals at heritage sites and place of historical tourist attraction in the state such as Banganga, then Kala, Goda and Pune. Okay, so they are arranging the various festivals for the purpose of promoting tourists. Okay, in January itself, this MTDC have arranged the junior grape festivals at Pune in a junior tehsils. Majorly, they are promoting through that juniors grapes and juniors various heritage sites like Shivneris, then Lenyadris, then Siddhivinayak. Okay, so this MTDC is trying to promote the tourism concept through the arranging the various festivals. Then, so this is an site for the MTDCs once to visit. Okay, so it shows the what is an Maharashtra. Here they have shown beach, then it also showing the port or forest regions. Okay, here we can book your visit to the tourist centers. Then various upcoming videos or videos related to the Maharashtrian tourisms. Then what we can see in the Maharashtras or what is an speciality of Maharashtras. Okay, then Maharashtrian oil foods, and what is new in the Maharashtrian tourism. So this is an site for the MTDC. Once do visit to this site. Then next one, that is Indian Tourism Development Corporation, that is ITDC, Indian Tourism Development Corporation. It came into existence on October 1966 and has been prime mover in the progressive development, promotions and expansion of tourism in the country. So this ITDC was established in the year of October 1966. So prime motto behind the ITDC is an development, promotion, expansion of tourism industries throughout the country. Okay, then it located at New Delhi, India. Then ITDC has a network of 8 Ashoka Group hotels. Okay, for tourists they are running the various hotel lines. So they have 8 Ashoka Group hotels, then 6 joint venture hotels with private entities, then 2 restaurants including 1 airport restaurants and 12 transport unit, 1 tourist service stations, 37 duty free shops at international tourist destinations, and as well as a domestic customs airport, 1 tax free outlet and 2 sound and light shows. So this ITDC having 8 Ashoka Group hotels. Okay, means under the brand name of Ashoka they are running the various hotel lines. Okay, then they have joint venture with 2 private hotel industry. Okay, then they have the various 12 transport unit, then 1 tourist service stations, 37 duty free shops at various international tourist destinations, then as well as in a domestic customs airport, 1 tax free outlet and 2 sound and light shows at various places. Then what are the main objective of ITDC? So first one, to construct and take over and managing existing hotels and market hotels, beach restaurants and travelers lodge and restaurants. So ITDC is majorly promoting the tourism sector in India through the various activities like constructing the various hotels or managing the various existing hotels lines, okay, for the tourist. Then provide transport and entertainment, then shopping and conventional services at various tourist destinations. They are running the various transport, then entertainment, shopping and conventional services at major or famous tourist destinations. Then to produce, distribute and tourist publicity materials. Okay, they are running the various campaigns. You might be heard about the Incredible India. Okay, so through that they are majorly promoting the Indian tourism industries. They are showing how the India is an attractive for the tourist, for the foreign tourist. Then to render a consultancy cum managerial services in India and abroad. So they are also providing consultancy service and managerial services in the tourism field. Okay, this comes under the Ministry of Tourism. Okay, it owned by the Government of India, located at New Delhi. So then to the continuation of main objective and functions, to carry on business as a full-fledged money changers, okay, so for money exchange. Okay, when any foreign peoples visited to India, that time they are helping for the full-fledged money exchange, means changing their dollar into the rupees. For that the purpose they are running various business or counter at the tourist destinations. Then restricted money changers. Then to provide innovating, dependable and value of money solutions to the need of tourism development and engineering industry, including the providing consultancy and project implementation in a tourism field. So they are innovating various tourist destinations. Then they are dependables and valuable monies for the solution of need of the tourist developments. So overall, this ITDC is trying to promote the Indian tourism sectors or national tourism sectors at international levels. So this is about the ITDCs. Now this is an website look for the ITDC. Okay, it is an government of India undertaking organizations. Okay, ITDC, Indian Tourism Development Corporations. So here we can book the various hotels. Okay, this is an Ashok hotel line. Okay, they have also shown the various packages or offers or promotions and what kind of cares that should be taken during the COVID while performing the tourism activity. Okay, so overall this is an ITDC. Now what we learn today? Today we have seen about the major institutions which are playing important role in promoting of tourism industries in Maharashtra and India. So first one we have ATDC, that is Agro Tourism Development Corporations, located at Baramati or Palsewadi Baramatis. Initiative by the Mr. Pandurang Tavre, they also called as a pioneer for the agro-tourism concept. Then it is an private NGO. Then Mr. Pandurang Tavre only started this MART, that is Maharashtra State Agri and Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited. Then at state levels, government initiatives like Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation, okay, MTDC. Then at national level we have Indian Tourism Development Corporations, that is ITDC. Then we have seen the ITDC was established in the year of 2005 at Palsewadi Baramati by the Mr. Pandurang Tavle. Okay, then remember this one, 16th May it's celebrated as a World Agro-Tourism Day. Okay, and 25th Jan is celebrated as a National Tourism Day. Remember these two things. Then majorly this ITDC is providing the various promotional things for the agro-tourism things. Okay, they have prepared the one block for booking the tourist visits. Okay, so under which various agro-tourisms are registered. So through this, by using this site, we can book our visit to the agro-tourism centers. Then we have seen the various objectives. So majorly promoting and development of agro-tourism through the ITDCs. Then providing training and support operations. Then creating various jobs and additional income to the farmers through the agro-tourism activities. Then increasing awareness of the local agricultural products or rural products or rural tradition or rural culture or rural handicrafts. Then we have seen about what is MART. MART stands for the Maharashtra State Agri and Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited. Started in the year of 2008 at Baramati, Pune by Mr. Pandurang Tavre. It is an cooperative of agriculturists and cooperatives. Okay, then some objectives: promoting the agro-tourism concept through cooperative things. Okay, then to coordinate the activity of planning, finance and marketing of agro-tourisms. Then to bring state agricultural and rural tourisms to the international levels, are majorly promoting the agro-tourism sectors. Then why MART? Why you need to register or a member of this MART? Because they are providing the central building plans for the agro-tourisms. Then they are giving the guidelines for the project proposals or bankable loan proposals. Then they are giving the training about the hospitality management. Then they are providing the assistance for the marketing of your agro-tourism centers. Then they are providing the information about the various government rules and regulations or various schemes. Like we have Maharashtra Krushi Paryan Vikas Vistar Yojana 2012. Then they are promoting the organic farming concept through this. Then at Maharashtra levels, that is government of Maharashtrian owned institution, that is MTDC, was established in the year of 1975, headquartered at Navi Mumbai. Then current director, it is not important, Mr. Vijay Wagmare. Then introduction. So MTDC is an government owned organizations established as per the Companies Act 1956 in the year of 1975 for systematic development of tourism industry. Okay, through this MTDC is promoting the overall tourism industry, not only the agro-tourisms. They are promoting historicals also, then they are promoting heritage also, or they are promoting even beach, forts. Okay, then these are the some objective and functions of MTDC. So first one is an development and maintenance, then acting as a state tourism board for development of tourism industries in Maharashtra. Then they have maintained the various resorts at various attractive tourist destinations. Okay, then to the continuation of objective and functions, MTDC also take initiatives and support for the various cultural activities, or which represent the Maharashtrian things. Then they are going for the promotional and development activities, and along with promotions, they are promoting the various historicals, physical and cultural heritage also. Then they are arranging the various festivals or Maharashtrian festivals for promoting through the tourism concept. Then this is a site for the MTDC. Then ITDC. So ITDC is an initiative of Government of India by Ministry of Tourism, established in the year of 1966 for the purpose of development, promotions and expansion of tourism industry in India. Its headquarters is located at New Delhi. They are running various services or amenities like hotel lines under the brand name of Ashoka. Then they have joined hand with some private hotels also. Then they have 12 transport units. Then 37 duty-free shops at international tourist destinations. Then various sound and light shows. Okay, at Mysore. Then major objective of ITDC to construct and take over of and manage the existing hotels or existing amenities and services owned by the ITDC. Then provide the transport and entertainment services. Then to produce, distribute and tourist publicity materials, promoting the Indian tourists through the various campaigns like Incredible India. Then to render the consultancy managerial services for India and abroad for development of tourism industries. Then to carry out the business of money exchange. Okay, that is full-fledged money charges. MC. Then to provide innovating, dependable and value for the money solution to the need of the tourism development in India. So this is about the whole today's sessions. I hope you have understand. If not, please ask me. Thank you.